Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payment settings from Stripe to PayPal on Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer payment settings from Stripe to PayPal on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left of the admin dashboard. Click on Payments to access your current payment providers. In the Payments settings, find and click on Manage next to your Stripe payment option. Before disconnecting Stripe, note down any important settings or configurations you may need for PayPal. Now click on Deactivate to remove Stripe as your payment option. Confirm the deactivation to proceed. Next, return to the Payments page and locate the PayPal section. Click on Activate next to the PayPal payment option. If you have not set up PayPal previously, you will be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Provide your PayPal account credentials and follow the prompts to link your account with Shopify. Make sure to review the settings for PayPal to ensure they align with your previous Stripe configurations. Once everything is set, click on Save to apply your changes. Your PayPal payment method is now activated on Shopify. You can run a test transaction to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If needed, adjust any additional settings under the Payments section to optimize your payment process. That concludes the transfer from Stripe to PayPal on Shopify. You are now ready to start accepting payments through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.